welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here with an elegant pair of earrings. These are purple color pearls earring. I hope you will like the color combination I used in this project. We have picked 6 pearl seed beads. These are pearl white seed beads 8, and now after making knots we have started our project. We picked the beads you can see on screen. I mentioned the number of beads. Now we are adding one 3 mm pearl purple color, one silver round 5 mm, and one purple oval shape bead. Now we are adding here these beads, and we have passed through 8 bead seed bead. So we have to add these beads passing through silver round bead, and then we have passed through pearl, and we are passing through white pearl seed bead. We have added 3 times oval shape beads with the pearls and with silver round beads. Now for 4th time we are adding it, these beads, purple pearl and oval shape bead and with silver round bead. We have added these beads. Very easy but very different and elegant earrings we are making today. I hope you would like it and make for yourself. Very nice colors. My lovely viewers who like light colors, these are specially for those viewers who like light colors. These are very nice color. I have used matching colors, oval shape beads and pearl 3 mm beads are matching colors. Nice purple color, light shade with silver round beads. We are making these earrings. Now we have started the next step. We are now adding in this round, we are adding white pearl style seed bead 8. These are little seed bead 8 pearl style. These are little pearls. So we are adding we have added 1 in the start, then we added 2, and now again we are adding added 2, and now we in the end we will again add 1 seed bead 8, and in this way this round will be completed. And after completing this round we will start the next step. Very easy and very quick to make. This earring is very quick to make. It takes no time, no long time. Here you can see how elegant this earring is. Silver and purple matching, very nice. 1 pearl seed bead 8, 1 purple pearl 3 mm, 1 silver. We are adding this passing through seed bead. We have to add these beads, pearls and silver round bead and purple pearls and white pearl bead 8. Now we have added it. We pull the thread to make it secure. Now we are adding here earring wire, silver earring wire with the oval shape beads and with purple pearls and 2 seed bead 8s. We have to attach it here. So we pass through center silver bead and we edit these beads with earring wire, and we are we have to enforce. Now we are repeating, we passing through all beads again, and now we are here to make some finishing knots. You look how easily and how quickly we make these earrings. It takes no time to make, so it's very easy project but very elegant. So we are making knots, finishing knots on different points to make it secure. After making knots, we will trim extra thread, and in this way our earring will be complete. I hope you would like to watch this video, full video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share. It's your own channel, it's somycrafty channel, your own channel. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to subscribe. So lovely viewers, I come here, I bring here for my lovely viewers all videos, all tutorials. I work with full love and attention to my passion. It's my passion, beading is my passion, and I make all my videos with full love, and I work hard. So please encourage me. I need your subscriptions, your likes and your comments. It's your own channel, so I hope you would like today's project, today's video. This is final look of our earrings. You are looking on screen in this video. This is very cute. These are very cute colors, very cute, very nice earrings. I hope you would like it, and I will say try to make using these colors. You will enjoy. This is very cute colors. These are matching and very different oval shaped beads I use in this project. I hope you would like it. So I will say bye now, and lots of love. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care and bye bye.